Hey guys, I'm back. Today I'm gonna be doing Euphoria makeup, specifically Maddie's makeup. I just love her makeup in the show. There's a new episode tonight. I'm ready for it. Anyways, let's get into it. Okay, first I'm gonna start with some concealer. I don't feel like wearing foundation today, so yeah. I'm just gonna add some powder on my face, don't mind the music. Okay, now I'm just gonna add some contour. Okay, I'm just gonna add some little blush. Add some highlight. And I'm just gonna add some powder all over my face. And now we're just gonna start adding the blue eyeshadow. I'm gonna use the shade right here. Okay, I blended everything. Now I'm just gonna add some eyeliner. Okay, next I'm gonna add some mascara. Okay, next I'm gonna add some lip liner. I'm gonna add some more concealer. Okay, now I'm just gonna add some setting spray. Hey guys, here's the look. Let me get closer. It doesn't look as good as hers, but I tried my best. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and keep up for more.